Introducing the Low Floor Plant and Go Landscaper vehicle by AKFS. Built upon the adaptable Peugeot Boxer 3500 kg base vehicle, this innovative design offers unparalleled efficiency and safety for your landscaping needs. Our GRP tailgate features a low loading angle, ensuring easy and safe access for both machinery and operators. This design simplifies the process of getting equipment on and off the vehicle, enhancing productivity. Maximize your loading area space with our optional raised tool storage locker, which provides concealed storage for valuable tools, keeping them secure and organized. Standard drop-side boards facilitate the easy and safe loading and unloading of small machinery and tools, making your operations smoother and more efficient. The vehicle loading area and tailgate are equipped with slip-resistant flooring, ensuring safety during all loading and unloading activities. For ultimate flexibility, we offer an optional winch system, accommodating a variety of loading needs.